At 52 years old, I'm returning to Wudang for the second time to learn more Kung Fu and learn about Taoism.
We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for that ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.
So it's Saturday night and I'm heading back from the lecture at the old school with Jake. And I don't usually get to walk around the town in the evening. I'm usually kind of tucked in bed for training the next day, especially since we don't get the real weekend off. We get off Wednesday afternoon and Thursday. So it's kind of neat walking back. It's pretty lively. You can hear there's a bunch of people playing music in here. There's people riding bumper cars around, and all the streets, there's a concert up on the pedestrian street going up to the temple. Everything's all lit up really nice. Everything's lit up nice, I think, probably every night. But it's kind of neat to see, and a little bit different. I don't really get to roam around, like I said, because we're usually try to rest up for training. So it's been great. Jake's lecture was awesome, and I wish I was here to see another few lectures because they're really enlightening for sure. So I'm heading back to the new school now, and it's going to be time for me to get to bed, and then it's training again tomorrow.
无数的冷风吹动 胸口。我准备遥远的梦，一周让我幸福。我准备无数的嘲讽，让我放弃我的音乐梦。我准备无数的黄土，淹没我的澎湃汹涌。我只想要我的歌声不尽沉沦的感动。我只说他们是我风雨过后的那一道彩虹。我只把堕落的原因都留给时间。